I saw an Instagram ad this morning, or maybe last night, in the last 24 hours. It was for a 30-foot long selfie stick, which I assume means that you take it out into the woods or somewhere interesting, and you, well, I've got about 3 feet here. You hold it up as high as you can go. That's about 4 feet in the air with counting my arm. The only problem is that if you did that in a rainstorm, as I've been thinking about as I've been walking through the woods, holding my selfie stick up in the air to get some interesting footage. I haven't heard any thunder or seen any lightning, but holding a giant metal stick up in the air as you walk through the wilderness is probably not the smartest thing to be doing. Just saying. This has been some test footage from my new GoPro. I thought I'd take it out into the woods and try out a couple of the image stabilization modes and the color modes so I can decide what kind of mode would work best for running. So I went out into the trails, and of course it was sprinkling a little bit when I left. Downpour about halfway through my walk. Slipped in the mud a little bit. I think it washed off all the mud, but at one point my leg was covered in mud because I fell on the muddy trail. But so far it seems pretty good. Pretty happy with the results. This isn't a review. This is just me giving some context to why you're watching this video. Enjoy.